Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can view your purchasing history on Temu. So first and foremost, make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. You'll see a page like this. If you would like to view all your purchase history, what you have to do is select the U section on your bottom right, and then you will see your orders at the top page. Go ahead and open it. Likewise, make sure that you are under all orders and you will see all the orders that you have placed. If you cannot find it right here, it might be under delivered, returns, or any of these tabs. If you cannot find your purchasing history, you may go ahead and simply search for it. For that, you may go ahead select this customer icon on your top right. If you're having problem locating your purchase history, you can directly chat with them and have it known. So select contact us. Here type in hi, start a conversation, and simply you have to mention the date that you have purchased that item. It will give you a history of what happened and where your order might be. Just like so guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.